Want your e-commerce site to rank higher on Google and attract more shoppers? Today, we're talking about structured data, one of the most powerful yet underrated SEO techniques. With structured data, you help Google understand your content better, leading to higher search rankings, enhanced rich snippets in search results, and more visibility for your products, reviews, and videos. So, whether you run a small online store or a large e-commerce site, this guide is for you. Stick around till the end because I'll also show you how to test your structured data and fix errors. Let's get started. Structured data is a standardized format that helps search engines understand the content on your site. It's written in JSON-LD, microdata, or RDFA, and it tells Google important details about your website. Without structured data, Google guesses what your content is about. But with structured data, you directly tell Google, this is a product, this is a review, this is a business listing. This helps your site appear in rich search results, like product listings, reviews, and even video snippets. Structured data helps Google display your products in different ways across its platforms, including Google Search with enhanced product listings, Google Images with optimized product images, Google Shopping listing your products for free, and Google Maps for local business visibility. It also increases click-through rates because eye-catching product listings get more clicks, conversions because people trust results with star ratings and product details, and voice search compatibility as Google Assistant can better understand your product info. Here are the most important structured data types every e-commerce site should implement. 1. Product and product group schema displays product name, price, availability, and SKU in search results. It helps with Google Shopping and product carousels. 2. Review snippets display customer reviews and ratings in search results, increasing trust and click-through rates. 3. Breadcrumb list helps Google understand the hierarchy of your site, improving navigation and user experience. 4. Local business is essential for stores with physical locations, helping Google show your store location, hours, and contact details. 5. Video object optimizes video content to appear in search results. If you're using Shopify, WordPress, or Magento, use built-in SEO plugins like Yoast SEO, Rank Math, or Schema Pro. If you prefer manual coding, add JSON-LD markup to your product pages. After adding structured data, test it using Google's Rich Results Test and Schema Markup Validator. If there are errors, fix them to ensure Google properly indexes your site. Structured data boosts SEO by improving Google's understanding of your content. It helps e-commerce sites rank for rich snippets, reviews, and product carousels. Use schema.org guidelines and Google's Rich Results Test for accuracy. Start implementing structured data today to get ahead of the competition. Have questions? Drop them in the comments. If you found this helpful, like, share, and subscribe for more SEO strategies.